No one likes a long commute. And even people who ditch the car to use commuter rail sometimes commute hours from their homes to work or school. But rail passengers in one New Jersey town take home the title for the US's shortest commute. We present the Dinky. At just 2.7 miles long, it's no wonder this rail line has earned itself the nickname of the Dinky. The Princeton Junction and Back, or the PJ&B, shuttles passengers between the Princeton Junction station on the Northeast Corridor and the campus of Princeton University. Those traveling from campus can make connections at Princeton Junction to New Jersey Transit mainline trains, or a handful of Amtrak Northeast Regional and Keystone Service trains that make the stop. Earlier this spring, NJ Transit announced plans for potential future alternatives for this unique service. Possibilities include just replacing the equipment, rebuilding the railway into a shared pedestrian bike light rail pathway, or even doing away with it altogether and replacing the service with buses. Either way, it's safe to say that now is a good time to check in with the PJ&B and see this one-of-a-kind train in action while we still can. Thank you for subscribing to Rail Weekly. And if you haven't clicked subscribe yet for free, please consider doing so to help us bring you more videos just like this one. We'll see you next time.